Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by opening the developer console immediately. Press F9 or use the in-game menu. Once done, make sure you are in a private test server or local environment to avoid disrupting others. You want logs, warnings, and the network profiler active so you can observe what the game actually does. This is both safer and more informative than trying unknown commands. As you watch events, note timestamps and error messages so you can reproduce issues reliably. Next, focus on inspecting events and output in detail. Filter logs by type, info, warning error, so you only see relevant messages, and click timestamps to jump to context. Use the memory and performance tabs to identify spikes, leaks, or costly operations, and record when they occur. You can add targeted print statements or use the script analysis tools to trace function calls and variable values. This helps you understand why something behaves incorrectly rather than guessing. Finally, implement focused fixes and then retest immediately in your test server. Make small, reversible changes so you can roll back if needed, and validate results against the same steps that produce the issue. If problems persist, add guards, retries, or rate limits to prevent cascading failures and rerun the scenario. Troubleshooting tip: always reproduce the failure consistently, copy exact error text and stack traces, and check official documentation or community resources rather than experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.